Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are in Hawaii. We just checked into Aulani. We have a beautiful room that I'm going to show you. We're ocean view. It's one bedroom. It has the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room. It's enormous. It's so nice. I'm gonna quickly show you around because the view is amazing and I can't wait to show you the entire layout of this space. So we are room 1070 and this is where you first walk in. And then there is a bathroom here with a full shower, toilet. Here's the vanity area, which is nice and spacious. You have all of your toiletries over here. And in this separate area, so there's a door here, so you can shut the door. Somebody can be in there getting ready. Somebody can be in here. You have your big jacuzzi tub, another vanity, and then you have these sliding like window door things, and it slides over here as well to enter the bedroom. A nice large closet, and there's a pack and play in there. And then here is the bedroom. There is a TV over here with a dresser, 2 end tables, the very popular Mickey playing a ukulele lamp, which is so cute. And then over here on the desk, you have some outlets and a balcony with this view of the ocean. It's so beautiful. And then we're gonna head into the living room and kitchen area. And then over here, you have your washer and dryer, which is super helpful on vacation. So over here, you have your living room.
And the couch will also pull out into a bed.
And then another TV with, I don't know if this opens. Oh, this opens up into a bed. I can't do it right now with one hand, but this actually will open up into a bed, which is amazing. And then here is the kitchen area. So you have your table. You have a full kitchen. So we have our fridge, lots of storage over here, coffee pot, stove, microwave. You'll have all of your dishes and things in here as well. We did actually just stop at Target on our way to pick up some groceries to get us through the first few days. We have some dining reservations, but I think we're gonna have breakfast in the room and have snacks and maybe some lunches here. So it's perfect having this space to cook. And here is the DVC info that shows you everything that is included in the room, everything that you can find here. There's even a pressure cooker. And now I'm going to show you guys the amazing view from our balcony. And here is the balcony. You can see all of the pools down here, the main lobby area over there with the beautiful mountains behind. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. I have to put my sunglasses on, it's so bright right now. But I am really excited to have this room for the next 5 nights with this view. It's going to be so beautiful. Okay, so that is my room tour of the beautiful Aulani Resort. I just cannot believe how gorgeous it is here. It's unbelievable. This is truly paradise. So excited to be here. I hope that you guys are going to follow along. I'm going to share as much as I can of our stay. We have lots of fun activities and things planned, both at the resort and outside of the resort. So I cannot wait to bring you along. Thank you so much for watching my room tour today, and I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.